This is the air compressor. We connect this here for air compressor. Okay. And this is the power line. The power for the machine, then you connect with the 220 voltage. Okay. And this is the vacuum pump. Vacuum pump connect, power connect to here. This is the vacuum pump power. And this is the hose for the vacuum pump. Plug here. All these accessories will be included. And this vacuum pump, it is silent working. Okay. This is the installation. And then we go to the front. Start. It will come into this panel. The PLC panel, you click enter. Yeah, English. Enter. Okay, click auto. Auto. Okay, here for all the settings you can adjust here. You will see that the temperature. This is a sensor. This is a sensor you can click on or off, and this is a temperature can be set it. This is vacuum. 点一下那个真空度那里啊，点一下时间温度可以设置。温度这里可以设置。Yeah, this can be adjusted. 最大可以升300度。The max is 300. 最大300。Okay. So this can be adjusted by your needs. And then back. This is for manual mode. Manual mode normally no need. And the settings are the same as the first page. Okay. And here is setting. Setting 不用点吗？不用点。这是个行程里面。Inside is like this. 这里面非常烫啊。And here it is hot inside, so no need. Do not touch it by your finger. 启动。This is for start. This is for the vacuum degree. The vacuum degree, it is the ultimate it can reach for -1. You will see that it is increasing. Okay. 30. And this is for the pressure. After vacuum extraction, it will be pressing down. 这压力会调这里。And the pressure, the actual pressure, it will be the positive pressure to deduct with the back pressure. It will be the actual pressure that pressing down on your product. And the pressing time you can adjust by yourself also. Setting 9595, click enter. So this for the setting, then you can adjust for the temperature and others. So it is the same as the front page. The auto page is the same.
这个压合的时间只有这侧，只有这个压合时间这侧在这里设置，其他的都可以在别的地方设置。其他的地方就可以在这里设置，看到吗？
The auto.
这些地方都可以设置，这里都可以设置。所以这个压合的。
Only the vacuum time can be adjusted here. The others you can just go back to the auto page. Is okay.